Hello, hello all. I am so glad that you have tuned in for this video lecture. Today we have learned, actually yesterday we spent the day studying bacteria and viruses. Today we are going to engage our creative minds and our creative thinking skills and writing skills, and we're going to do a project that asks you to write a story about the day in the life of a virus. So if you will, as always, you're going to go to modules to find your assignment. It will be uploaded right here. You'll watch the video first, what you're watching right now. So if you're here, you've done the right step. Next, you'll go to the assignment page. So today you will be completing the Life of a Virus activity. Please see the Google document below for instructions. When you've completed your story, copy and paste the entire writing into the submission text box. Be sure you watch the video for specific questions before you reach out to me with questions. Use your resources, right? For this one, I do not want a Google document link. I would like you to copy and paste the entire story into the text box. Again, I do not want a Google document, not for this one. That's fine for some other assignments, but not this one. So we're going to go ahead and check out this copy of a virus story. So a day in the life of the virus or bacteria. You will be writing a story about a day in the life of either a virus or a bacteria. I have a list at the bottom of this for you to choose from. You will first research your bacteria and virus to find out more about it. Your story must include the following information: the name of your bacteria/virus, the shape of your bacteria or virus, where it usually lives, if you have a bacterium, whether it is a consumer, producer, or decomposer, if it is a good or bad, does it help or hurt organisms? Is there a way to kill your bacteria or virus if it's harmful? Any interesting information you think that might make your story more creative and fun to read. So remember that viruses have to live inside living cells, so if you write about a virus, keep that in mind. So here's a few ideas to get you started. So maybe you use a well-known existing story such as Cinderella, Red Riding Hood, Goldilocks and the Three Bears, the Ugly Ducklings, something that you already know, and substitute the character and places for organisms and places they live. So if I wanted to write a story maybe about a virus that was looking for a host. So viruses need hosts to live in, and they have to be just the right host. So maybe I used the Goldilocks example, and I decided that my virus was looking for just the perfect host, and instead of porridge and beds, and I can't remember the other thing that Goldilocks tries out, but instead of those, she looks for cells that is going to be just the right cell for her to live in, the virus. Make sure you include, again, where it lives, the shape of your bacteria or virus, the name of your bacteria or virus. Or you could think of a typical day in your life or your parents' lives and use it as an example, and change the people into other organisms and change the places to where bacteria and viruses lives. You can describe the job of your bacteria or virus, its home, family, transportation, how it gets from one organism to another. Really, your creativity is what is going to get you places today, right? So here's your list to choose from. It's on the Google Doc. You could do Giardia, E. coli, rhinovirus, influenza, dengue fever, hepatitis, rabies, polio, smallpox, mumps, measles, rubella, chickenpox, salmonella, TB, tuberculosis, staphylococcus, I should practice that one, staph, bubonic plague, or anthrax. Okay, so some of these are names of actual diseases, and you're going to have to look up the actual virus or bacteria that goes along with it. Okay? So you're going to create a story then. Make sure 8 points of your 14 points come from the required information. 2 points are for correct spelling, 2 points for correct grammar, and 2 points for creativity. So this could be a paragraph long if you're feeling it. It could be a couple pages if you're feeling it. Don't give me more than 3 pages though, because that means you've spent a little bit too much time on it. The first step here is to research yours. Where does it live? Answer those questions. And then you're going to use that to create a story. I'm looking forward to seeing the creativity that you guys use on this project and all of the fun things you come up with. If you have any questions, please email me. Have a great day.